Good morning. We're having basic science for GSS2 now. I'll be looking at the topic maintenance of good public health. Maintenance of good public health. How we can maintain good public health is our topic today. That's what we are looking at. And our outcome for this lesson says, by the end of the lesson, each learner should be able to, number one, explain what it takes for a person to be healthy. Itemize 3 ways of maintaining good health. And lastly, know the difference between refuse and sewage. The first one, you should explain what it takes for a person to be healthy. Number 2, ways you can maintain good public health. And 3, difference between refuse and sewage. Let's look at what it takes for a person to be declared as a healthy person. Before you can say someone is healthy, the following must have been seen in the person's life. On our screen, we say for a person to remain healthy, he must maintain cleanliness around his environment. So before you can say someone is living healthy, it definitely means that the environment in which the person lives is clean, is void of any dirt. He or she must also eat good food, drink clean water, wear clean clothes, and keep his environment clean. You can see that the word environment is coming times with that number, is coming on and on. So it means that everything about us must be very clean, even the food we eat, the water that we drink, the clothes that we wear, and even our environment inside and outside our homes must be clean. If you do all this, you'll be declared as a healthy person. And the process of you doing all this will help a lot in preventing disease outbreak. When you take clean water, you'll be free from anything called cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, and all that. And you wear clean clothes too, you'll be free from any skin rashes, many skin diseases that can come from putting on of dirty clothes. When your wears are clean, you'll be free from every form of sickness or diseases that are affiliated with skin. And our environment must be clean as well, not necessarily keeping only our parlor clean for visitors to have a place to sit, and while our bedrooms, our kitchen, our bathroom are stinking, it is not advisable to do that. In and outside of your home should be clean. Your parlor should be clean, the sitting room, the dining room, the kitchen, the bathroom, your bedroom, your water, your clothes, everything must be clean. When you do all this, when someone do all this, then the person can be declared as a healthy individual or healthy person. Let's look at the ways we can maintain good health in a community. What is a community? A large place, a large society of people. Number of people living in a particular place is what you call a community. One person does not make a community. It is when you have more than 2, 3, 4, 5, in tens, in 20s and 30s of people that you call such place a community. And wherever people are living, they have different activities that they do, which might or may not bring about a dirty environment. So the effective public health and administration in a community can be achieved through the following. If you want to maintain a good health in a community, you must practice refuse disposal and sewage disposal. Refuse disposal and sewage disposal is advisable in a community where good health is welcome, and good health is one way for them to live in a healthy place. Now let's look at the meaning of refuse disposal and sewage disposal. Refuse are solid waste material discharged through human activities from homes and industries into the environment. Solid waste materials discharged through human activities from homes and industries into the environment. Any waste that we bring from our homes, in as much as they appear in form of solid, you call them refuse. Such solid waste can be in form of broken bottles, perfumes, bottles, roll-on, a bottle can, Martina can, any dirt that is in form of solid, you call them refuse. Then, recklessly refuse dump around dwelling place creates bad odor and provides breeding ground for insects and rodents that spread diseases. When you dump your refuse carelessly in the place where people live, what you are doing is that you are going to create a very bad odor for that environment, and aside that, it's going to also provide a breeding ground for insects and rodents that can easily spread diseases to us. For example, in some places, in some refuse dump sites, if you have a clear look at it, you will see that the environment is not even a place where someone will be able to stay. The place will be smelling badly, will be stinking, and if you look at the ground too, there are so many things that the sight of it alone is disgusting, not to talk of allowing such to be in your dwelling place. It is not a good thing to do. So, refuse disposal can be done in different ways. There are so many ways we can dispose our refuse. I've made mention of it that refuse are solid waste. Any waste from our home that are in form of solid are all called refuse. Let's look at the word sewage disposal. Sewage disposal. Sewage as waste water material discharged from laundries, kitchen, toilets, bathroom, e.g. urine and faeces. Sewage is different from refuse. While we say refuse is solid waste material, sewage are wastewater material. So you can say they are in form of liquid. Any waste material from our homes that are in form of liquid are called sewage. Example is the water we use in washing our clothes, the water we have used to wash our clothes. They are now dirty, you call them sewage. Such water is from laundries, you call them sewage. Another water is from the one from our kitchen sink. Those one too are also called sewage. Even our toilets, the one we use to flush the toilet, is also called sewage. You can see that all these exist in form of liquid, while refuse exists in form of solid. Then all this, we also have proper way we can also dispose our sewage. Just the one in the sewage from the toilets and the bathroom, the way you can dispose those one is through the use of pit toilet and septic tank. The septic tank, where a large hole is being dug in the environment, where all the sewage coming from the toilet and the bathroom is going into directly, and those ones are well covered that you won't perceive any form of odor from it. And at a time when you feel it is filled up enough, it is becoming inconvenient for the neighborhood, there is other way too you can manage it properly. So that is sewage disposal. In summary and conclusion, refuse disposal can be done in different ways. We're not going to mention that ways now. You will do that as an assignment for me. Then we will talk more on it. Refuse appears in form of solid, and sewage appears in forms of liquid. And for you to maintain a good health in a community, you must practice refuse disposal and sewage disposal. Before we can also say that a person is healthy, the person's environment must be clean, must be void of anything called death, must also eat good food, drink clean water, and wear clean clothes. Your assignment for the week: what are the ways refuse disposal can be done? How can we dispose our refuse? I'll be waiting for your response so we can mark and also know where to start from. Thank you.